So today is the day we fulfill the promise to show you a step-by-step DIY project for building a huge litter box, and these are very, very large. These actually used to be horse troughs. My wife had horses for years, and this is a step-by-step guide on how you can find the materials, can construct the materials in order to make one of these litter boxes your own. Your cat will love you for it, because the more real estate for them to do their business, the better. And if that cat could talk, that's exactly what that cat would say, because that's what our Maine Coons have said to us. greatest thing about this litter box is the fact that the sloped sides make it very easy to dig out the litter. This litter box holds 70 pounds of litter. Our big Maine Coons, they have a tendency to go on the edges of a square box, but this box forces them to basically dig and do their business in the middle. So it's actually much easier to clean. There would not be a lot of litter. So this is one of our new breeders. She's only about 6 months old. You can see how much smaller she is compared to Powder over here. But we'll typically pull it up to the edges like that. It kind of creates a trough. So if they do it around the edges, it moves towards the center. The other thing is if they start digging, they're digging towards the center. Look at the litter. The litter's rolling right in and covering it automatically. So that's it. We've got 6 of them in the house. Now we got number 7. And when you take those food soluble storage containers, you get 2 litter boxes for the price of 1. 2 halves. So right now we just picked up 2 more litter boxes. The stabilizing wood along the bottom that I showed you there could really use anything in the 4x4 material. We use the pressure treated because we'll move those outside into the catio underneath a protected space so that naturally the litter doesn't get wet. But that saves the cats from having to go in and out. They like to do their business outside. We like it when they do their business outside. And so we'll probably be upgrading their catio with a few extra litter boxes. So yeah, hopefully that's an affordable way that many of you can really step up your litter box sizes. And what I would encourage, instead of worrying about which litter box is the right litter box, I'd just make one of these litter boxes. Honestly, I'd have a 4-pound cat swimming on 100 pounds of litter. There'd be no stress for that 4-pound cat. It's that important. So stress does some pretty crazy things to cats. Well, it does pretty crazy things to people, but to cats in particular, they can really avoid them being really, really healthy. And it's all because of the litter box that we force them to do their business in. So go big or go home. That's what your cat would say. So this is as big as you can get, unless you would take a propane tank and cut it in half. But ain't gonna try that. So anyway, we appreciate you watching. Look forward to you tuning in for another DIY in the future. And take care.